Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. We are actually going to be diving into my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of February. It has been some time since I have done an unboxing, if you will, whatever, of Ipsy on my channel. I want to say it's been like 4 to 6 months, somewhere in there. I have still been getting this consistently. I just haven't shared it on my channel. I do want to say that I have since canceled pretty much, I would say 90% of the beauty subscription stuff that I get. In fact, this is the only one I get. I used to get all 3 Ipsys. I used to get BoxyCharm Premium. It just got to be too much. I actually recently decluttered a ton of product that I have gotten over the last year or so from beauty subscription boxes, and I filled up an entire like large tote bag of product. I kind of gave it away to my sister and my niece. I still have a ton of stuff sitting in a bag over there that I can see right now that I'm probably just going to include in giveaways and stuff. It just gets to be a little bit wasteful. I mean, there is so much product that I haven't even touched that I have forgotten about. So I narrowed it down and I just get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is more than enough. It's like 25 bucks. I get 4 or 5 products. I don't feel as wasteful just having one. So that is just my thoughts on it. Comment down below and let me know, do you still subscribe to Ipsy, BoxyCharm? Oh, actually, I do get FabFitFun. I lied, but that is my favorite box. But beauty-focused boxes, I just get Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. All right, so we're gonna find out what is inside here together. I have no clue what I got. One quick comment before I do. Does anyone else miss the actual makeup bags? I know I've mentioned this before in my past videos during my unboxings, whatever, and some of you have said that you actually really like this, but for me personally, I like the makeup bags. This just feels so cheap. I almost feel like this is like a high school like home ec project. I don't know, maybe I'm old, but we used to do that. We would have like sewing in home ec, and I remember making like little bags like this, and it's just, I don't know, the fabric feels really cheap. Not that it matters, but just my opinion. All right, so the first item, let's see what we've got here. This is from It Cosmetics. This is their Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation Brush number 707. This I am actually over the moon excited to see in my bag because I actually have never tried any It Cosmetics brushes. Believe it or not. These were really popular back in the day, early YouTube. I know people still love them. I just never tried them. I don't know why. They are kind of expensive. So much freaking packaging. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this feels really soft. I am not quite sure how this would work for foundation. Let me know if you guys have tried this particular brush before. I mean, it's very beautiful. I love the packaging. It says what the brush is on the side. This might work well maybe for like a stick foundation because, like I said, the hairs are just so soft and flimsy. It does have a nice shape to it, so I can see where it kind of will fit like right here on the contours of the cheek, along the jawline, that sort of thing. I mean, it is a very nice brush and it does feel very soft. I'm just a little bit concerned with how flimsy the brush hairs are, but I'll have to try it to find out. So let's set that aside. Dig into the Mary Poppins bag and see what we have next. This is from the brand Tint. This is their Dew Balm Universal Clear Glow. I have my thoughts on products like these. I don't know how much I'm into the whole basically Aquaphor Vaseline on steroids to achieve a glow on the skin. I feel like this might get sticky. On the lips, it could look nice, or maybe just for like hydration. But this packaging is actually quite unique. I just want to show it to you guys. So here is what the product looks like. And if we take the cap off, it does have a really kind of nice applicator on it. I do like that. So I do want to squeeze some out and see what this is like. It's on the back of my hand here. Yeah, I mean, this literally feels like Vaseline. It did warm up quickly. I mean, as you can see, it definitely has a really nice glossy shine to it. Doesn't feel too sticky. This actually feels like a very nice, thin formula. And oh my, does a little bit go a long way. This might actually be nice as like an illuminator. Let me see what it says on the back here. It says how to use. Apply a tiny amount directly onto skin with our built-in smooth glide applicator and blend for a natural and dewy finish. I mean, I don't know if this can go on top of foundation. Do I dare try? Let's just do it. See if it moves anything around. A little bit. I do see a little bit of my foundation stuck to my finger right here. I don't know if you guys can see that at all. Probably not. It's very minimal. but doesn't feel that sticky. This would definitely be something that I would put on top of like maybe a tinted moisturizer. Definitely would look really nice and juicy on the lips, but I don't know if I would actually put this over foundation, but still a cool product. I'll have to play with it and see how I like it. Moving on to the next item. This is actually a brand I've never tried before. This is from Maelle. I hope I'm saying this correctly. Maelle. This is their Sun-Kissed Blush. Sunset inspired glow all day long. All right, so this is what it looks like. That is gorgeous. Definitely sunset tones. There is a lot of shimmer in this. I don't know if these are supposed to be like separate pans or you're supposed to just like blend into all of this. I can see myself just kind of mixing them all together, but I love a shimmery blush. Let's try some of this right now. Where is a brush here? Keep looking at my hand. That dewy balm stuff is so pretty. This is one of the nicest looking ones I've ever seen. All right, back to the blush. I'm just gonna go ahead and tap into everything here. Ooh, I can actually see all the different colors on the brush. I don't know how pigmented this is gonna be. Actually, I'm gonna put it on this side because I almost put it on top of that sticky stuff I just put down on my face. Just gonna gently tap. Oh, it's not overwhelming at all, and it does have a beautiful shine. I'm just gonna put some over here. I'm gonna risk it. I want to look even. That's actually a really pretty blush. I can't wait to use this more. It does have like a nice healthy glow to it. It is not overwhelming at all. Like some of the pans in here look extremely like shimmery, but it doesn't come off like that on the cheeks. It just gives you this really beautiful healthy sun-kissed glow. This might be my favorite thing so far that I've gotten in this bag. I love blush, and I absolutely love when it has some reflect to it. Oh, it looks so pretty. I love glowy skin. All right, so I feel 2 more products in here. This next one is from Violet Voss. This is one of their lip glosses. This is in the shade Love in Paris. I haven't tried anything from Violet Voss. You would think that I would have by now. I have gotten so many eyeshadow palettes in subscription boxes, bags from Violet Voss, and I have yet to dip into any of them. I don't know why, but a gloss is something I can definitely see myself using, and we will just pop some of this on, but I do want to show you the shade up close here. So it's just like kind of like a sheer gloss with a lot of micro reflex in it, which is my favorite type of gloss. Love, love, love it. Let's see if it has a scent. Ooh, that smells really good. I'm having one of those flashbacks again. This is very nostalgic to me. The scent is taking me somewhere to my childhood. Isn't that cool how scent can do that for us? Like if we smell something and there's scent memory somewhere in our brains where it's like, oh my gosh, that takes me back to a time and a place. And most of the time I can't really figure it out, but I just love having that feeling. I don't know. I love that. Let me know if you feel the same. All right, let's dip in. It does have one of those applicators that has like the little eyelet in the center, so it really carries the product, which I like. Oh, that is nice. I was like, one swipe. Feels so nice. I hate getting lipstick on my applicator, but whatever. I don't care. This just feels really good. And this applicator feels so soft. Yes. That is glossy and shiny, and it is serving exactly what it is supposed to. All right, yay. I'm actually really happy that I got this. This looks beautiful on the lips, like super, super shiny and reflective. So thumbs up to Violet Voss. And then the last item I have is from Ahava. I hope I'm saying that rightly. I just combined rightly and correctly into one word. I guess we're back on that train again where I can't pronounce things. Ahava. This is their Time to Hydrate Night Replenisher for normal to dry skin. Ooh boy, I am so picky when it comes to skincare. I do like getting it in boxes because skincare is expensive, and I have mentioned this before. And if I can try something new and get it in a bag where I only paid like 20, 25 bucks for it, that's a total win. So this does have 2.5 fluid ounces in it. So I want to take a look at the ingredients quickly. So the first ingredient is water, but it is mineral spring water. How fancy. Let's see here. We have cetyl alcohol, arginine. I think that's an ingredient that I have heard recently. Is that the one that they say is like Botox in a bottle? I'm thinking of some ingredient that starts with an A. I don't know if it's that one. But there's a lot of different stuff in here. Vitamin E. Perfume is kind of high up on the list. Linalool or linalool, or however you pronounce it, which is another type of fragrance. I don't mind fragrance in my skincare. I just don't want it at the very top of the list. I am sensitive to smells. I do have very reactive skin where I do get a lot of redness, inflammation responses, and sometimes fragrance can trigger that for me. This one does have vitamin A in it, retinol palmitate, which is a retinol derivative. And just some other things in it. So this might actually be a nice moisturizer. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's definitely going to spread. I put like the tiniest bit and it wants to just go everywhere, which is fine. I do like spreadability in a moisturizer. The fragrance is very light, but it almost smells like old school, like dial soap. That is strange. That is so weird. It's one of those weird nostalgic scents for me. What is going on with this bag here? It doesn't smell bad, but I do think that it is very specific. I think that someone maybe might not like it. You're either going to love it or you're going to hate it. There's going to be no in between. I just don't care about it, I guess. Well, actually there is an in between. What am I talking about? I just said I don't love it and I don't hate it. It's early. Anyways, this is okay. I don't see myself using it though. I just don't love the fragrance. It doesn't, I don't know. It's just not for me. I have my moisturizers. I'm very stingy when it comes to my skincare. It is what it is. All right, let's do a quick recap. I do want to say the two products that I am most excited for are the Violet Voss lip gloss and the blush. This blush is beautiful. I absolutely love the shades on the inside. It is like a sunset. It's gorgeous. I love the way the pans are in here. I think this is just really cute and unique. I love how large this is. I love that it comes with a really nice mirror on the inside. This product just made the bag for me. Again, the Violet Voss lip gloss, which you just saw. This is really pretty. It looks really good. I am getting a little bit of a taste from it though, and I don't know how much I love that. Like I can almost taste the fragrance that is in here. It smelled fruity, but now I'm getting like a perfumey taste, which is strange. I don't know if it's mixing with other stuff that's on my lips and just doing that. So I'll have to try it on its own, but I'm still excited for it. I think it looks really beautiful. Then I would have to say that I'm really intrigued by the IT Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Hugging Foundation brush. It's unique. Like I said, this is really soft hairs in here. So I am really excited to see how this actually works for my foundation. The Tint Dew Balm, this is a cool product. Like I said, I mean, it still looks so hydrating and shiny on the skin. This is really pretty. This might be nice in the summertime with like a tinted moisturizer or like a no makeup look, that sort of thing. Or really with just like no makeup at all. This might be nice to give your skin kind of like that dewy, glossy finish. And it might look really nice on the lips. So I'll have to check that out. Obviously, like I said, I'm not really into the moisturizer at all. I'll probably end up giving this to my sister. She might really like this. So there you go. There you have it. That is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of February. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, comment down below if you are still subscribed to Ipsy or BoxyCharm. Have you been liking what you're getting? How are you feeling? I haven't checked in with you guys in a while. If you didn't know, I have made a few videos with my very strong opinions about BoxyCharm. So check those out if you haven't already. I will link my BoxyCharm playlist either in the end card of this video, in the description box somewhere where you can check it out if you would like, as well as my other unboxings or unbaggings for your viewing pleasure. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, share it, and of course, please be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go. Love you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.